I'm Grace from Attract AI, and I'm here today with our technical co-founder, Ben Ihle, and our lead developer, Peter Klein. We're going to be looking at some messages that have been either sent to us or that we've sent out and grabbing a technical candidate's point of view on those messages to see what's a turn-off in a message, what's good to include in the message, the things that they value, and what you can just ignore. Klein, did you want to go ahead and read our message out?
I am Name, and I work for a company called Company. We specialize predominantly in the IT and engineering sector. I'm currently recruiting a role here in location. I was browsing LinkedIn when I stumbled across your profile. Oh, another person stumbling across my profile. Excellent. We are looking for someone who has a 5+ years of experience as a tech developer or strong back-end experience and experience supporting the following: PHP with MySQL, mandatory. Experience writing and using third-party integration APIs. Experience writing code in HTML, JavaScript, preferably with Vue.js, Angular, React, or similar. If you'd love to hear more about this opportunity, could you please provide me with your best contact number so I can get in touch with you? Have a great rest of the week. Recruiter Name. Yeah, there's a few things here which are just crazy alarm bells. I like to start with I'm predominantly in the IT and engineering sector.
Predominantly.
Okay. There's a pretty big sector, and you find that sector is pretty much in every other sector.
Yep, and you're not there all the time. You've literally told me nothing.
I'm glad you asked that I'm well. Yeah, I am well. But it's a pretty generic start. I hope you're well. I use that all the time talking to complete strangers. So sure, it's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sick of people stumbling over my profile or stumbling across my profile. Like, people just can't seem to walk straight or something, or walk upright. That seems to be one of the go-to comments. And I understand it. It's like, oh, I was just browsing. It's like, no, you weren't browsing. You're headhunting. You're not. And so you didn't stumble. You hunted me. That's. And this person, they hunted me real bad. They hunted me really, real bad. They're not a good hunter because they're hunting for PHP developers. Mandatory. I don't have PHP experience. I've done a little bit, but there's nothing on my profile that suggests it.
And I would suggest PHP is one of those things which, if you've got it and you want to do it, you put it on your profile. I mean, I've got PHP experience ostensibly, but I do not advertise it because I don't want anything to do with it in a commercial.
Now it's sort of under recording, it's going on the internet. Everyone will know.
Uh-oh.
We're in trouble now.
Oh, God.
Using third-party integration APIs. Okay.
These are weird requirements from that perspective. They're generic, right? Okay, what does that mean? You're moving data. That's what all dev jobs are.
This one's a no. You obviously haven't read my profile. You're looking for 5 years experience for a PHP person.
Actually, the only thing on here that's personalized is your name, which is okay some of the time, most of the time. But the problem is all of the rest of it is talking about them.
I do like with the with the call to action bit. It's like, if you'd love to hear more about this opportunity, could you please provide me with your best contact number? Where did the word love come from in this? Suddenly it's like, oh, I would love to hear more about this PHP role, which I have no experience about PHP.
Yeah, it's also why not put your number in here, mate?
Yeah, give me a call.
Have me call you. Why are you making? I'm going to have to message you to give you my number. Why not just say, hey, reach out to me and find out more, and we can organize it.
Yeah, well, I wonder how many replies they get back. It's here's my number, 1-800 go away.
I think it's admirable reaching out to get you've got to. Obviously, they thought they had a candidate here who has a chance of knowing PHP.
Yeah.
And it's admirable. They've at least taken the shot, because a lot of the time we see people turning candidates down on their face in search results, for example, because they don't have something listed, and it's actually I mean, Klein's a great example of this. This did not have had Python, I think, on your profile when but yeah. So that half of it, but then the problem is this reads they've basically taken the top. They've just searched for what's the role? Oh, you don't have the role in here. Senior software dev in LinkedIn, and then they've just run an automation tool through the top 50 results. Like that. That's what it reads like.
The missed opportunity here is like, okay, yeah, we're a PHP shop. We're looking for a PHP person. You don't have PHP, but this is why I'm talking to you.
Yeah, that's a great point. It's like because then you get both, right? It's like okay, you're taking that chance, but you're also acknowledging, like you're showing that you've read the profile enough to know that I don't have this on here, rather than just blindly spraying and praying.
Yeah, so I've got like there's no way I'd respond to this because they've got the word mandatory there. Like even if something else sounded interesting, it's like, well, no, then they've lost it. Game over. Boop, boop.
Thank you, team, for your opinions and your perspectives on these messages. Hopefully, they're helpful to the recruitment TA community and what candidates value in a message. And we'll catch you next time.